Matter may be defined as anything which occupies space, has mass, and can be judged by any one or more of the 5 physical senses. Book, pen, water, milk, etc. can all be classified as matter.
Characteristics of matter. The various characteristics of matter are: it has mass, it occupies volume, it can be perceived or felt by physical senses. Heat, sound, magnetism, love, hate, shadow, etc. are not regarded as matter because neither they have mass nor they occupy any space.
States of matter. Matter can either be a solid, liquid, or a gas. Each state can be recognized by its special characteristics. The physical states of matter can be interchanged by heating or cooling. Kinetic theory of matter. The existence of matter in 3 different states can be explained on the basis of kinetic theory of matter. The main postulates of kinetic theory of matter are: all matter is made up of a large number of extremely small particles called molecules, sometimes atoms or ions. The molecules are always in a state of constant, rapid random motion in all possible directions. Due to their motion and mass, the molecules possess kinetic energy. There are attractive forces between the molecules. The attractive forces between the molecules of same kind are called cohesive forces, and the attractive forces between the molecules of different kinds are called adhesive forces. The kinetic energy of the molecules increases with increase in temperature. As the distance between the molecules increases, the magnitude of attractive forces between the molecules decreases.